Welcome. Introducing our range of dosing pumps, the unsung heroes of fluid management systems.
Solenoid-driven dosing pumps.
PTFE, known for its exceptional chemical resistance, paired with PVDF, renowned for its durability, creates a robust pumping solution capable of handling even the most aggressive chemicals. Once the solenoid is activated by electrical power supply, it generates a magnetic field. It will reason to move the diaphragm, which turns open and close the valves. Once the stroke is completed, the inlet valve is closed, and due to fluid come into dosing chamber, the pressure will increase and reason to discharge through the outlet. Let's see range of applications of our dosing pumps. Portable water treatment, effluent treatment, boiler feed, paint-based production, food and beverages industry, washing plants,
Swimming pool.
cooling water treatment, wastewater treatment, rubber industry, pharmaceuticals, apparel industry, cosmetic industry. Hydra BX, 5 liter per hour at 8 bar, adjustable flow rate. Hydra MA, proportional to an external signal, adjustable flow rate and predisposition for level probe. Hydra BC, proportional to a digital signal, adjustable flow rate and predisposition for level probe. Hydra BL, double flow rate ranges and predisposition for level probe. Hydra PR, proportional dosing based on pH, ORP values, and temperature probe on request. Hydra MT constant and proportional dosing based on external analog and digital signal. Timed dosing with programmable timer. ppm dosing and batch dosing. Athena BX 15 liter per hour at 7 bar and double manual flow adjustment. Athena BL double manual flow adjustment. Predisposed for quick connection level probe. Athena AM 100% manual flow rate adjustment. A digital signal pulse counter with the possibility to multiply or divide the pulses received. Athena Air-Cond, suitable for dosing of small volumes. The quality of the dosing is by the anti-drop system of the atomizer. Athena MT digital pump flow rate, proportional to an analog and a digital signal, and digital flow rate adjustment. Athena PR 30 liter per hour at 5 bar and 110 liter per hour at 1 bar. Proportional flow rate with pH and RHEX instruments. Athena Impure proportional flow rate with instruments for potentiostatic sensors. Measurement set up for chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, and peracetic acid. Prudence Engineering Services Private Limited, number 7 upon 3A 1 upon 1, First Lane, Bellantara Road, Nedimala, Dehiwela.